Now we're on day 2 of our project. On day 1, we did the writing, everything here. Familia is writing, pictures, random pictures from Google. Today, you're going to do the audio recordings. So anywhere where it says record yourself, saying the sentence you wrote in blue at the bottom. This is my sentence in blue at the bottom. Use vocaroo.com. So I'm going to go to open a new tab, vocaroo.com. It looks like this. When I record my audio, it might ask me to hit allow for permission to use my mic. It might not. If you've used it before, it might not. So I go back to my sentence here. Mi familia es amable y graciosa. Memorize it, look at it. That's what I'm going to record. Mi familia es amable y graciosa. Hit stop. If I want to redo it, I can hit that. If I want to hear it, make sure you got it all. You hit the triangle here. Mi familia es amable y graciosa. Good. So now that I know it's good, I hit save. Don't hit this refresh button unless you want to redo it. This is the play button. You hit save if it's good, and then you're going to get a link right here. Click on the little 2 squares, and then you'll get a notification, copied link. That's good. I go back here, and where it says paste link, I'm going to hit Control V and paste it. That's it. So that's my audio link. I'm done with that slide. Now for my individual family members. Right here in this box, record yourself saying what you typed in the box to the right. This is what I typed right here. Mi esposo es gracioso. Memorize it, practice it a couple times. Mi esposo es gracioso. Then I'm going to go back to Vocaroo. Make sure you refresh, you go to the page again, or you close this tab. If you hit this refresh button, it's going to delete what you already did and the link won't work. So just close it out and go to it again in a new tab. All right, I forgot the sentence I need. Mi esposo es gracioso. Mi esposo es gracioso. Play, make sure it sounds right. Hit save. Hit the little 2 squares right here to the right. Don't hit delete, hit the squares, and it'll tell me copied link to clipboard. Go back to my slides. Now where it says paste the link here, I'm just gonna Control V. Paste that link right there. Control V. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my son and my mama. Again, close this tab, open Vocaroo in a new tab so it doesn't delete your old recording. Mi hijo es joven. That's what I need to say for this one. Mi hijo es joven. Does it sound right? Mi hijo es joven. Good. Sounds good. I hit share. Copy, go back to my slides, and in the box here where it says paste link here, I'm just going to Control V. If you want, you can even delete all of this text right here and just put the link. Like I can just delete all of this and put the link right there, and that's fine. I can also delete this text box that's randomly hanging out there. I don't need it now that I put a picture. This obviously is not my real husband. That is a singer, Daddy Yankee. That's not my real son, and this is not my real mom. They're just Google pictures, but that's okay. The last one I need, mi madre es baja. Memorize it. Mi madre es baja, mi madre es baja. Go back to Vocaroo. Mi madre es baja. Does it sound right? Mi madre es baja. Good. Save, copy link, and then in this bottom box, Control V to paste it. And that's it. I don't need to do any recording for my extended family. So as long as I have all of the writing, I have pictures where it says put pictures, audio where it says put audio. If you want to, you can go back and delete things like these instructions here. You don't need that anymore once you've followed them. And then you just hit turn in.